Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Etoro account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Etoro account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in etoro.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Etoro login on the Google itself and hit enter. You can see the etoro.com on the first result of Google. Click over there. You can see this is the home site of Etoro from the direct website or direct web address, whereas this is the login page of Etoro from the Google. Now to log into your Etoro account from your home page of Etoro, you can see the login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on login, and you can see both of these pages are same. So let's close one of these. Now to log into your Etoro account from your computer, you'll be required to enter your username or your email over here, which you had registered on Etoro at the time of creating your account. After that, enter your password over here and then click on sign in to log into your Etoro account from over here. Or if you want to log into the Etoro with your Apple or your Facebook or your Google, you can do it from over here. Let's click on these links and you can see the login page of Apple, Facebook and Google is open over here. If you log into your Apple or your Facebook or your Google, any one of these ID from over these platforms which was open from the Etoro's links, then you'll be logged into your Etoro account with your Apple or your Facebook or your Gmail account, which one you logged into. Or if you have not yet created an account on Etoro, you can see the sign up option available over here. Click on sign up to go through a procedure to create an account on Etoro. And there guys, this is how you log into your Etoro account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.